This is a super quick song to learn. You only need to know 2 notes, and I call this the Let's Go cheer. There's actually 2 Let's Go cheers. There's cheer number 1 and cheer number 2. So let's learn number 1. This is in your beginner band tunes packet. You can download it at the link below for free. Here are the 2 notes we need to learn for this song. The first note we need to know right here is called a D. It's on the 4th line. We count up our lines from the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4. On the 4th line, that's called the note D on saxophone. D can be a little bit of a tricky note if you've never played it before. We need to press down all 6 of our main home keys. So on your top hand, your left hand, we press down 1, 2, 3. And on your bottom hand, the right hand, we press down 1, 2, 3. And the final step, let me show you, our thumb on the back, which usually just sits on the thumb rest, has to just press the octave key right here to make the D into the proper octave. So this is the sound of D. The other note we need for this song is a B. Look right here on your sheet music. That's a note B. We might have seen this note before. It's on the 3rd line, and we always count our lines up from the bottom. 1, 2, 3. The 3rd line is a B. On your left hand, your top hand, we just press down 1 first home key. Now let's look at the music. This song is so short, it's so easy. It only has 4 notes and 1 measure. So look at this. We have 4 quarter notes, ta, 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 and the note names are D, D, B, D. So not really too tricky. The only tricky thing about it is if you're just learning how to play the D note, it might be a little bit awkward trying to get used to going from the D to the B, because we go from all of these fingers on the D note, plus your thumb, going down to the B note, which has no thumb key and just your first finger. So let's try slowly this pattern. D, D, B, D. Set your band face, sit up nice and tall, set your fingers for the D note. Nice and slow with me. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember, every note we have to start with the T sound of our tongue right here, tapping the reed right here. It's called tonguing. Let's try that pattern again. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the next part is the part where the crowd would clap or stomp their feet on this rhythm. Ta, ta, ti, ti, ta. That's pretty much the whole song. Let's try playing the whole song with our backing track, and the tempo is going to be a little bit faster, about this speed. Sit up tall, hold your saxophone properly, get your fingers set for the first note, which is a D, set your band face, and play along. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's the whole song, just those 4 notes over and over again. It's a lot of fun to play. It's a little bit challenging going from your D to your B, so if you need to, you could slow the tempo down to make it more comfortable to switch between those 2 notes. You can download the sheet music at the link below. There's also a link to play along with the backing track. Thanks for watching, everybody. Now go practice.